on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we've kind of got a different one. We're going to be doing a product review video, an unboxing, and then showing you guys the product. The company that we're going to be working with is called Auxito. They do all kinds of interior lighting, automotive lighting for any kind of vehicle you can think of. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So this company Auxito reached out to me through email saying that they have seen the channel and they have seen a couple of my product review videos and unboxings, and they like what I do, and they wanted to send me some free products, give my honest thoughts and opinion, and give them some feedback, and be able to showcase some products that you all might be interested in. So basically they sent us some headlight bulbs that we're going to go ahead and unbox right now, and I'm going to do a little bit of a comparison on the stock versus these ones. So if you guys are interested, definitely going to want to stay tuned. So let's go ahead and show this unboxing. Alright, so we got the box right here from Auxito. First impressions, nice small looking box. They got the product specifications on the back. All the different models we got right there, which is the 9008/H13. So definitely looks nice packaging, but let's go ahead and open it. So you just slide it open, and it's got directions on, I guess, the product and how to install depending on what you got, warranty, everything like that. And then it's got the lights. So first impression on the lights, definitely look pretty legit. Got your LED chips right there. It feels pretty nice quality. Definitely very interested in seeing how these are gonna look, because the packaging looks good and the lights themselves look pretty good. I just am very interested in seeing how bright the output on them are. So let's go ahead and start showing what you guys have to do in order to be able to replace your bulbs. I always forget when I'm doing anything with these headlights. The one thing I will complain about through the 11 through 16, I'm not sure if my 6.4 the same thing, because the grill came up with the hood, but in order to get to, there's one bolt down here and two on the side. In order to be able to get to those bolts, you have to remove the grill, which I believe is, it's either 5 or 6 bolts across the top. But I'm just complaining, but I always find it annoying or tedious to, anytime you want to change a headlight or anything with the bulb, you have to remove the grill. But I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse that for you guys right now. So like I said, there's 4 bolts. They were 10 millimeters that hold the grill. And one thing I forgot to mention, on the bottom, along the sides of the grill, or bottom of the grill, there are 4 tabs. The easiest way that I've been able to get these is you take a flathead screwdriver and you pull the grill back, then you push down on the tab and it pops it out. So again, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that right now. So like I showed you guys in the time lapse, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots with retainer clips. So what you want to do is take your flathead or a pair of pliers like I did, needle nose, push down on it, and you'll hear it pop and it'll release. So you want to go right down the middle of the row like that, and then you actually be able to pull that grill off just like you've seen me do. So like I said, there's 2 bolts right here. I believe those are 10 millimeters, and there's 1 here on each side, and then there's 1 up here, and then this whole headlight comes out. Alright, so once you get those 3 bolts removed, actually it's 4 bolts, 2 here, 1 here, 1 here. Like you've seen in the bottom one, I recommend using an extension. It's kind of hard to get through this gap from the bumper and the headlight, and it's a little bit of a ways back there, so I highly recommend using an extension. But now you're ready to pull this headlight out. And just like that, the headlight pops right out. Alright, so now that you got the headlight out, you want to take, not this one, but the bottom one right here, take your old light out. You want to take your new Auxito light, put it in there, and then there are little grooves of where it should catch when it fits in there perfect. Like it's got little grooves right here, these 3 grooves, if y'all can see that, where it lines up, and they're cut out on here, so it's cut to fit that, like that right there. What you want to do is when you get that, give it a little turn, and right like that, it's locked in place. So now we're ready to go ahead and put this thing back on the truck. So now when you put this thing, the headlight back on the truck, you want to go ahead and attach all your lights back. Yeah, the running light I'll do last, but right here is your plug-in for the new bulb. So you just want to plug that in. It fits perfectly in. Just like that. Take your side marker light, put it back in, and then just like that, your headlight is ready to go. And you put the headlight right back in place. The light's in, it works, so you probably, before you bolt it all up, want to go ahead and turn your lights on and check. Pretty much, final thoughts, easiest install I've ever done when it comes to headlights. I mean, all it is literally pulling a bulb out, replacing it, putting the headlight back in. So pretty simple. It doesn't take a genius to do it. I'm just very curious on how these are going to look at night. You see them behind me. The daylight doesn't really do it justice for headlights. So we're going to wait until nighttime, and I will get back with you guys whenever it is nighttime. guys can see in that little clip right there, it's now nighttime. These bulbs are pretty bright, I'm not gonna lie. They're not the most expensive, but they are pretty good quality and pretty bright, look really good. Shouts out to Auxito for letting me get a hold of this product and sending me them. As you guys can see me, it's reflecting off my trailer and that's pretty bright. So I just want to say thanks to them. I'm gonna have in the description links to where you guys can get this or see any of their products. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.